Hey guys, welcome to SkippyTube channel. This is the iPhone 8 Plus and have a high leaking after it comes up when restarting. This problem comes from the capacitor next the Wi-Fi IC, and this capacitor connected to the VDD main. This is the note. If this capacitor is short circuit, that means phone is not turning on, but because this have a high leaking, phone is comes up and then affected to the AP temperature, and for that reason phone comes up and then because affected to the AP temperature, chipset is restarted the phone. Now I want to tell you how to fix how to find the issue via multimeter. The first, we check the diode value on the V battery or battery connector. You see it's showing the 0.399 and impedance showing the 0.600 and then comes down. Normal impedance on the public voltage V battery and VDD main where it need be showing more than 1.300. You can see this here is capacitor in there, and I want to use this capacitor for test the VDD main diode value. The first diode value you're looking and is showing the 0.190 and impedance is 0.211. This is the note again. This is different note. Diode value on the public voltage need be showing between the 170 to 0.660, but this here is showing the 190. That means have a high leaking. For my experience, I removed this capacitor and then I check again the diode value on the VDD main. You can see that's everything back to normal. Diode value from 0.190 comes to the 326 back to normal, and impedance you see that's leaking time is 211. Now it comes to the 1.100. That means back to normal, and then it's turn on the phone and phone is works fine. Would you like to learn how to fix the phone via multimeter? You can subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and like and put the comment in there, and I am happy to answer your any troubleshooting or diagnosis on the iPhone and Samsung phones. Thank you for watching and see you next video.